to be doing a mega burp.
I got this forecast job tomorrow. And no, you don't start the FA job today. I decided you go up with no money.
What?
So proud of yourself? After my conversation.
I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and goodbye.